Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Life can be stressful sometimes, but that doesn't mean that your skin has to show it or your eyes has to show it. If you are stressed, you are not sleeping enough, or you are spending a lot of time on screens, then you must have eye problems such as dark circles, fine lines, wrinkles, and so many other problems. So in today's video, we are going to show you that with a few simple home remedies, your eyes can look beautiful and fresh again. So with the magical ingredients, let's start the video. First, we'll take this medium-sized potato. Now, potatoes have natural bleaching properties which can help us to lighten our dark circles and freckles. Now, divide it into two parts for both the eyes. Take one part of it and place it over your eyes. Okay, now relax for 15 minutes. Wow, my eyes are looking much fresher than before. For our next remedy, we have aloe vera gel, almond oil, vitamin E capsules, and I highly recommend this glass container. Take a little amount of aloe vera gel to make the serum. A little bit of pure almond oil and vitamin E capsules. Mix it really well. And look at the serum. Beautiful. Now gently massage it around your eyes before going to bed. For our next remedy, we have this olive oil, this castor oil, and a simple plastic container. Take 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And simply mix both the oils. Now with a very gentle pressure, massage your eyebrows with this oil to make it look beautiful. You can also use this oil for your eyelashes. Now go to bed and wake up fresh faced.